Here's the simple pendulum experiment from 2017. So we're asked to investigate the relationship between period and length for a simple pendulum, and the pendulum is oscillated 40 times. So the time there is a time for 40 oscillations in each case. So if we want to get the graph, we need to change the length to meters first, that's on the right hand side there, and then each of those time values, which is a time for 40 oscillations, needs to be divided by 40. So that's the first thing you need to do. So equals 77.3. I'm just doing the last one divided by 40, but I've done it for all of the rest of them. Now you don't plot those because you now have to square those values. So equals, I'm going to multiply that by itself, that'll square it, and then I'm going to repeat that idea with the 1.07 squared below it. Okay, that will allow me to copy the formula, and then I'm going to do it for the rest of them then as well. So each of those values there in the box is the blue thing squared. Now I also need to plot the length, so the length in meters. So I'm just going to copy those over. And what you want to plot is the length against the period squared. Now once more, look at the number of oscillations, divide the time by that number, that will get you the time for one oscillation, which is the periodic time. That's those values there, and then you want to square those. And all you want to do then is plot that graph. Length on the x-axis, period squared on the y-axis. You'd plot this yourself, but when I do it, it gives me something like that. And then you want the straight line graph through the origin fit as well as possible. So that's video 1. Video 2 will be the calculations. I'll do that in a moment.